Once upon a time, in a small town surrounded by golden sand dunes and swaying date palms, lived two friends. One was Ahmed, a kind-hearted and honest merchant, and the other was Yusuf, a charming but clever man. Their friendship seemed strong, or at least that's what Ahmed believed. Ahmed always helped Yusuf whenever he needed something, and Yusuf used his sweet words to win everyone's heart. But one day, Yusuf made a request that revealed the truth about their friendship. Yusuf said, "Ahmed, my dear friend, I am in trouble. I need 50 dinars to pay off a debt. Please lend me the money. I promise I will return it soon." Without hesitation and with full trust, Ahmed gave him 50 dinars. He didn't ask for witnesses, because he cared about Yusuf's dignity and didn't want to embarrass him. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. But Yusuf never mentioned the money again. Whenever Ahmed reminded him gently, Yusuf made excuses and escaped the conversation. Finally, one day Ahmed decided to speak clearly. He said, "Yusuf, it's been months. I need the 50 dinars I lent you." Yusuf replied coldly, "What 50 dinars? I never borrowed anything from you." Ahmed was shocked. He said, "How can you deny this? I trusted you. You must remember." Yusuf shrugged and said, "Trust is not proof. If you claim you gave me money, bring a witness." Ahmed realized he had none. He had given the money privately to protect Yusuf's honor. With no other choice, Ahmed went to the town judge, famous for his fairness and wisdom. Ahmed explained everything. "Your Honor, I lent Yusuf 50 dinars, but now he denies it. I have no witness because I gave it secretly." The judge turned to Yusuf. "What do you say?" Yusuf confidently replied, "This is a false accusation. If he gave me money, he should have a witness." The judge thought for a moment. Then he said to Ahmed, "Go to the place where you say you gave him the money. Bring me a handful of soil from that spot. We will ask the soil to testify." Ahmed was surprised, but he obeyed and left to fetch the soil. As soon as Ahmed walked out, the judge casually asked Yusuf, "Tell me, Yusuf, do you think Ahmed has reached the place yet?" Without thinking, Yusuf replied, "No, Your Honor, that place is very far. It will take him many hours to reach." The judge smiled and said, "So you know the place well. Only the man who received money there would know how far it is." Yusuf realized his mistake, but it was too late. The judge ordered, "Guards, arrest him. His own words have exposed him." He continued, "You betrayed your friend's trust and lied in court. As punishment, you must return the 50 dinars and pay 10 times more, which is 500 dinars. Everyone learned a lesson that day. Deception may seem clever, but it always leads to downfall. Yusuf bowed his head in shame. He apologized and promised to pay the amount. Ahmed forgave him and said gently, "Yusuf, trust is a precious gift. Never break it again." Crescent moon moral of the story. Honesty and truthfulness are priceless virtues. Lies may hide the truth for a moment, but they can never erase it. As the Quran teaches, "Surely, Allah does not guide the one who is unjust and a liar."